In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer crypto to your Trezor wallet. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, you will need to access the desktop app or Trezor suite for web. You will need to access your account in order to see all of your funds and the crypto asset accounts that you own. First of all, within your Trezor account, you will be able to select the corresponding asset that you wish to receive inside of Trezor. So if you are transferring Bitcoin, for example, select your Bitcoin account. If necessary, use the plus sign at the left side of the screen to create a new account and choose the corresponding crypto asset that you are going to be receiving. It's very important that you have an account for every single asset that you want to own inside of Trezor. At the top, you will be able to select Show Full Address in order to note down the wallet address that you need to transfer your crypto to. With the wallet address that you copied from Trezor at hand, you will be able to input it into any exchange wallet that you have. For example, if you are on Coinbase, all you have to do is select Pay, and you will be able to choose from which account you are transferring the crypto to and from. When you need to input a wallet address, paste the wallet address that you just acquired from Trezor. As long as you have the amount of crypto assets necessary and the wallet address is valid and legitimate, you will be able to make the transfer and receive your assets inside of your Trezor wallet. With that out of the way, you will be able to access them inside of Trezor and manage, send, receive, trade, etc. as you wish inside of the hardware wallet. Check and verify everything, and you will be able to manage all of your coins with Trezor. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer your crypto to a Trezor wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.